Hi, my name is Jacob Findlay, co-founder of Fullbay, here with Dale Bowman, CEO of AM/PM Diesel Services out of Houston, Texas. And Dale, we're really excited to have you here at SEMA.
I'm excited to be here.
Not just you, but also your McLaren, which is our guest at the booth. So this started as a 570?
It started off as a 570, and then we put GT4 suspension underneath it, fin speed, racing wheels, AP racing brakes, titanium exhaust, racing seats, harnesses, harness bars, wing on the back. We've done some aero that you can't see underneath the car that diverts the airflow underneath the car to help it keep stable.
And I've actually ridden in this car.
Yes.
How many horsepower ago was that?
That was when it was 570.
And that was scary.
Yes, now it's 870. When you rode in it, we done, I think, 153 to...
I think we did 159.
159, and now I'm doing 176 on the back straightaway.
That's crazy. On the same track?
On the same track.
Usually at COTA?
At COTA.
In Austin?
Yes.
And you guys use Fullbay.
We love Fullbay.
And that enables you to do stuff like this.
Exactly. I'll be honest with you, Fullbay helped me get to where I'm at. I mean, the software really developed with us, grew with us, and it's a great product. We love it. It makes my technicians efficient.
Yeah, gives you a good life. Yeah, so this is one of the fastest McLarens in the world.
Yes. It's one of the fastest McLarens that runs the circuit track that's street legal. It's not the fastest in a quarter mile because it's not geared for that.
But it's one of the fastest street legal McLarens in the world.
Yes, by far.
What's the craziest thing you've done in this thing?
Speed-wise?
Yeah.
209.
So how much distance do you need to get up to that speed?
Probably about 3/4 of a mile.
And then to stop? Another half mile?
Nah, it stops pretty quick. I can go from 176 to 35 and 100 yards.
So what's the future like? Do you think electric is the next thing, or combustion engine's going to be around in the racing circuit for forever?
I hate to say this because I do love, Jeremy Clarkson, he always says that, the combustion engine's what everybody needs.
Yeah.
For any type of motorsport, but I do think it's going to be phasing out. McLaren came out with the Arturo, which is basically the replacement for this car. It's a hybrid. It's electric with a V6 twin turbo.
So you get the torque on start, electric start, and then that's the idea?
Yes, and then it takes off and it goes. But, the bad thing about it is when I'm on the track, I get 0.7 miles to the gallon. And, you're running 100 octane plus. So it's,
yeah. What is that, $10 a gallon?
Yes.
All right, Dale, well, let's walk around SEMA, see if we can find some cool stuff.
Let's go. Well, I would love to find some turbos. It'd be engine. Is it in a different?
Maybe down here. Let me go down here to the left.
POV, you're trying to find something specific at SEMA.
And maybe we just head down this way then.
Let's go see the turbos.
Yeah. What do you think of this truck? Is that a 72?
I love it. I'm not a Chevrolet guy, but I love that truck.
That's like, Chris has that. I gotta take a picture of this thing for Chris.
I love the paint. I want to go down here and see this Porsche. That's what I need for my car, is that wide body kit.
This thing?
Yeah, the flares that stick out. I need that wide body kit.
This thing right here?
Yeah.
Could this thing beat your car?
No.
Not even close?
No. I don't know what they did to it to get it that low. I think it's been dropped. Now that front wing right there, it's the front diffuser, that's carbon fiber. It looks like that's been made. Over here's a couple McLarens.
720?
GTR.
Daily driven exotics.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Is this an intake or just?
That right there,
yeah.
That's just for the brakes, cool. It goes out, shoots out that way, and goes up the side of the car. That's an awesome ride, I like that.
Yeah, but you can still beat it?
Oh yeah. This car you buy, and it's already set up for a track. The difference that I did to my car is, I modified my car. This you don't modify, it's just ready to go the way that it is. Yeah, this car here is a couple $1 million.
Seriously?
But it's race ready. You can take this thing and start entering races and take off, and it's ready to go from the factory. It doesn't come with no warranty whatsoever.
You think you'll come back? to SEMA? Think
Oh yeah, I'll be back next year.